Good afternoon to my fellow friend. Today, my team gonna present about our case study. My name is Asad bin Hadaman. My matric number is 20 DKA 21F 2005.
And my name is Iman Zaira Midrabai. My metric number is 20 DKA 21 2007.
And my name is Reza Janan Richard. My number metric is 20 DKA 21F 2038.
My name is Pedas Nawin Fediason. My metric number is 20 DKA 21F 2030.
Introduction. The state agency is located at Persiaran Tanjung Bunga 11200 Tanjung Bunga, Penang. The condominium was built in the year 2006. The high-rise condominium has 26 floors. The total condominium units are 104 units with only 4 units per floor. The condominium is strategically located and easily accessible. Basic amenities such as public transport, school, convenience store, food stall, clinic, wet market, and hypermarket are within its locality. Besides, time broadband internet, which perform high speed and strong internet connection, is also available within the condominium.
So this is the case study review. Our case study review is in Georgetown. Residents living near last sinkhole in Tanjung Bunga are concerned about their safety and the possible damage to their properties. The sinkhole appeared after a road leading to a newly built housing area in Beverly Hills collapsed early this morning due to continuous rain since yesterday. Type of foundation failure: shallow foundation or wrong foundation selection. Flat footing is a shallow foundation, has a wider bottom portion as compared to the load-bearing foundation walls it supports. This wider bottom portion spreads the weight of the structure over more area to achieve more stability.
This is a causes of foundation failure. First, shallow foundations are usually located less than 6 feet below the lowest finished floor of a structure. These are the most commonly used foundation system for small residential and wood structure. This causes this type of foundation to be unstable for the types of construction because it has a very large load. Second is inspective soil, such as clay soil, can shake and swell with change in moisture content, exerting pressure on the foundation and causing it to fail. For compression, inadequate soil preparation or soil erosion can also contribute to foundation problem. In the quad design, improper material or substandard construction practice can lead to foundation failure. This includes using low-quality material, insufficient reinforcement, or improper foundation depth and dimension. The method to overcome the problem. First, underpinning involves strengthening the foundation by extending its depth or width. This can be achieved through various techniques such as installing an additional pier, helical piles, or micro piles to provide additional support to the foundation. Underpinning help to transfer the load of the structure to more stable soil layer. Second is grounding. Grounding is a process that involves injection and cementation or chemical grout into the soil or void beneath the foundation. This fill gaps, stabilizer loose soil, and improve the load-bearing capacity of the foundation. Second is soil stabilization. Soil stabilization techniques can be employed to improve the properties of the soil supporting the foundation. This can include soil compaction, chemical stabilization, or the addition of reinforcement material like geotechnics to enhance the stability of the soil.
Summary. In summary, this case study clearly shows that basic failure have many types of failure, as well as ways to overcome them. As stated in this case study, the failure of the foundation in the place is due to the wrong foundation selection because the type of foundation used is not able to bear the load from the construction. In this context, it is very dangerous and very expensive. However, there are so many remedies that can be done to prevent this from happening, and the most important thing is to choose experienced and professional architect and engineer. Next is conclusion. In conclusion, foundation failure is a contraction, can have significant consequence and should be taken seriously. The foundation serves as the crucial base upon which a structure stands, providing stability and support. When foundation failure occurs, it can lead to various problems, including structural instability, settlement cracking, and damage to the overall integrity of the building. There are several causes of foundation failure, such as poor soil condition, improper design or construction, inadequate site preparation, or external factors like excessive moisture of seismic activity. It is essential to address these factors during the planning and construction stage to minimize the risk of foundation failure. Thank you. Today we come to the end of our presentation on case study presentation.